Certainly, understanding the structure of an HTML document is fundamental to creating web pages. An HTML document consists of several key components, and here's a breakdown of its structure. Let's break down the structure. 1. Backquote. Doctype HTML backquote. This declaration defines the document type and version of HTML you're using. In this case, it's HTML5. 2. Backquote HTML backquote. The root element that wraps all the content on the page. 3. Backquote head backquote contains meta information about the document, such as character encoding, title, description, and keywords. It's also where you link to external style sheets and scripts. 4. Backquote meta charset equals UTF-8 backquote specifies the character encoding for the document, typically set to UTF-8 for international character support. 5. Backquote title backquote sets the title of the web page, which appears in the browser's title bar or tab. 6. Backquote link backquote links to an external style sheet, CSS, for styling the page. The backquote href backquote attribute points to the CSS file. 7. Backquote body backquote contains the visible content of the web page, including text, images, links, and more. 8. Backquote header backquote typically includes the main heading or logo of the page, along with navigation links. 9. Backquote nav backquote part of the header and contains navigation links, often presented as an unordered list, backquote all backquote, with list items, backquote li backquote, and anchor tags, backquote a backquote. 10. Backquote section backquote divides the content into sections, each with a unique backquote id backquote. Sections can be used to structure your content and improve accessibility. 11. Backquote h1 backquote. Backquote h2 backquote headings to structure and label the sections and subsections of your content. 12. Backquote p backquote paragraphs of text within sections. 13. Backquote footer backquote contains information about the author, copyright, or any additional footer content. This is a basic structure for an HTML document. As you create more complex web pages, you can add more elements and structure to suit your needs.